This is Brian with Some Pick Treasures, typically a reseller's channel. Let's take a tour of my home. This is part of a one of 3 Decorate With Me videos. Stay to the end to see my recent yard sale finds and future DIY Halloween projects. Come on and let's continue the house tour. The bathroom will be my first Decorate With Me video. Then the following videos will be the living room and the dining room. Let's continue the tour. Let's take a look at my recent purchases on my shopping adventures. So here I got a table runner by Tahari Home, and it was at Home Goods for $16.99. I'm really liking all the haunted house items that I'm seeing out there. The next item is Farmhouse. They were $9.99 by Rachel Ashwell. My fall towels. I really like the mushrooms. My kitchen has a vintage vibe, and I think it'll be perfect in that room. I got these great Hocus Pocus salad plates for $4.99 each. They're by Eli and Anna, and they were at Home Goods. I also got the Trick or Treat dinner plates by Eli and Anna. They were $5.99 and they were at Home Goods. I really like the pumpkin in the center and can't wait to get them into the dining room. Next at Michael's, I got these Ashland Halloween bat wall decor. They were $14.99 with some percentage off. I definitely need a whole lot more. I want to do a whole archway of hanging bats, so I can't wait to learn how to make molds and make my own. Next, I got these jack-o'-lanterns, Cynthia Raleigh of New York, set of 4 placemats. Definitely can't wait to get these on to my table. One thing you'll find out is I like linen, so a lot of times I buy it and don't use it. For my kitchen, I got these Martha Stewart drying mats and also the mini mitts at Home Goods. Both were $9.99 each. I definitely tend to have more of a fall theme inside my kitchen. Here's some placemats. Be grateful. I got these. They're Farmhouse by Rachel Ashwell. And again, I only have one table, so I'm going to have to pick and choose. Next are shower curtains that I got at Home Goods for $16.99. It's the Halloween Trick or Treat Full Moon Haunted House. These are the orange ones. I really wanted a black and white version, which you'll see here. They're also $16.99. Due to the style of my bathroom, I need 2 shower curtains, and unfortunately I only found one, and I went to multiple Home Goods, and so I'll keep it aside and hopefully I find that second one soon. Next is my Nicole Miller Home 7-peat mustard yellow towels and mat. They were $39.99 at Home Goods, and so I'm excited to get these up in the bathroom. I walked into Marshall's and seen this fortune teller light up pillow by Cynthia Raleigh, and it's called Curious, and I definitely thought it's super awesome. Ran up and grabbed it from the shelf. It was the last one there. What's really exciting about this, and I didn't even know when I bought it, was there is this push button, and when you push it, it lights up certain areas of the pillow, and so I'm excited to get this pulled into my living room decor. At Dollar Tree I found these hologram pictures, and if you can see, I like Victorian, and so I have some really good frames that I'll be changing out and adding some of these hologram pictures. I definitely need to see if there's more out there at the Dollar Tree. The next item was for a DIY project with the styling Barbie that sits on the table to turn into a witch. This is part of the seasonal collection Magic Ball for $5. Unfortunately, that changed, and you'll find out at the end of the video why. Here you have a trick-or-treat sign from the Dollar Tree. I have a glass panel door, so I'll put one on each side. I don't know why I got this. It's a Happy Halloween garland. It's just cool. Picked it up at Dollar Tree. I've seen multiple YouTubers taking these new hands that came out at Dollar Tree and making sconces with them, so it's something that I'm going to try for my DIY projects. I went on to Marketplace and found these cool chemistry bottles. I purchased some last year that were larger, but these were smaller, so I'm excited to get these onto my fireplace and do some type of decor, which will be coming soon. I hope you're enjoying seeing some of my finds that I found, and off to the next project. The first video of decorating with me will be my bathroom. I'm going to speed up the video and start cleaning. It's time to get the drill. I'm going to take a tape measure and mark the center of one of my windows, and I'll be hanging my bat from this location using the drill bit and then placing my hook. And now let's hang that bat. I'm really excited to see the bat. I definitely need to get some more. Now I'll start changing out my shower curtain. This is not the original one that I wanted, but unfortunately I need 2 shower curtains, and I hope to find the black and white shower curtain of the haunted house. So I'll continue to change out my decor in the bathroom. Now that the shower curtains are done, I'm going to go ahead and put down my mustard yellow towels. I'm not excited about this towel set. I'd like to get orange, but I haven't found anything that's orange. That's why I'm hoping to find that black and white shower curtain where it will match more with the decor. I do need to do additional items in this bathroom, change out some of the pictures, and have more Halloween pictures. This is the beginning phase. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I know this is basic, and I can't wait to start working in the living room and dining room, pulling out all my items from the basement, and start working on video 2 and 3. Let's continue to show you the bathroom decor. If you have any ideas or suggestions, leave a comment below. So DIY number 1 is an item I found the following day after filming at a yard sale for $2. So I'm going to see how I can change it up and hopefully fix it and make it presentable. On this same adventure at another yard sale, I found this witch's head, and I was originally going to use the styling Barbie, and so my DIY project has changed. So pay attention for future videos on my DIY projects that I've shown. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.